So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to clean the bugs off the front of your vehicle using the waterless method. Obviously, first of all, you want to make sure that the surface of the vehicle is fairly clean. You don't have any caked on dirts and all that sort of thing. But after that, you can see the bug splatter on the front nose of the vehicle, on the truck, and that's what we're going to get off. And it's going to be, I'm going to demonstrate on portions of it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to demonstrate other methods that we use to take bug splatter off. So we're going to use bugs and all, and I'm going to go ahead and spray this on. Turn the valve on first. I'm going to spray it on. I like to work from the top down. And as you can see, some of the bug splatter is starting to run a little bit here. I'm not sure if you can see that really well in the video. A little bit more right here. You can see that the bug splatter is running down, and a little bit more right there. So that's showing that the product is working. So you want to let the solution stay on the vehicle and keep it wet for about 30 to 60 seconds. If it starts to dry, then just simply re-wet it and then let the release process continue. One of the things that you can check to see if the releasing process is complete is by rubbing on the bug splatter, either with your finger or with a towel, to see how well it takes off. I'm using a microfiber towel that we sell also, and as you can see, it's coming off very nicely as it is, with very, very little scrubbing. So another method you can use is the bug sponge. Once you spray it on and the releasing process is complete, just take your bug sponge and just start wiping it down. You can see how it's coming off fairly well. This one was a fairly big, good size bug. So sometimes you have to take it off by layers, and you just kind of re-hit it, re-let it soak, and then eventually it'll come off very well. In the areas of the grill, the bug sponge works really well at getting around the creases, around the curves, and the bends of the vehicle to get that bug splatter off. After you've got the bug splatter off, then just take a towel and then wipe it down to dry. If there's any bug remains left on the vehicle, which there shouldn't be, and if there is, just re-hit it with a light spray of the bugs and all. Let the releasing process continue, and then take either your microfiber towel and just kind of wipe it off. Just like that. Very little scrubbing is needed. The key is to letting the product have enough time to really eat through the bug acids, that shell that creates that hard shell around the bug splatter, letting the product work harder rather than you.